All right, welcome back to this week. We are not hunting this time. So, what we are doing is I got this big container that I want to turn into a shed to work on projects and all. But the problem is it's filthy. It's got all kind of stuff in it that I need to get out before I could even start framing anything out. And I'm going to show you what we're working with. So this is the inside of the container. It's got this big hole in the roof, and all this stuff needs to come out and everything needs to be washed down. So they got this hole in the roof, so I'm thinking come like this far in and start framing out. But I need to get all this stuff out and then kind of just come in here and scrub all of this down. It's all dirty inside, so I got a random door. So I'm gonna try and get rid of some of this stuff, like just get it out of here. I mean, this wood can probably be repurposed for something. So I might use some of that for something. So right now, I don't know, all I'm gonna do is just make it where I can get in and out a little bit easier. See how that goes. That's a good spot for that. Oh, there's no snake under there. This piece of plywood is probably still good for something. I might end up, so the flooring is just kind of like a bunch of ditches in here. So I'm gonna eventually maybe get some plywood or something to cover it all, to get rid of all this. There's some of this stuff just out there. Pull it out. Vines are growing inside. Some kind of tank. Huh. Huh. This level might actually still be good. It looks in really good condition. So that's a keep. This is a pressure washer. Oh goodness. That doesn't work. Got a whole breaker box in here. All kind of stuff. Box of nails and screws. Guess that could be useful. I got this bucket. Nice. Put that in there. Bucket's still good. Don't know about that hose. I don't know. What do y'all think? What do y'all think I should do with this? I think I should frame it all out. Get some power in here. Put a shop fan or something. And I can just do different projects and all in here and work on stuff. Got all this wood. I don't know how even good some of this stuff is, but I mean, it's worth going through it all and trying something. This one's broken. Today's a pretty nice day. Weather's pretty good. Stuff like that. I like good weather. It's fun. I really need to clear out, once I get all this, I'm gonna have to clear out here. And then I wanna build some ramps coming into here. That way if I need to bring anything in here, I can push it up on ramps. So I need to make some room for that. Old cooling fan, I don't even know what this goes to. Now, it's not like I just got this thing, this box. I've been having it for years. Don't even know what this is. And I always wanted to do something with it, and I just never did. So I figured now's a good time. It's not too hot. It's not freezing. But if I can do something in here, make it all work. I have a bunch of random, like, lunch bags in here. And I don't know why they're in here. That gas is no good. It's probably just all water. Cool. Crowbar. That's a good place for it. Cool. That's so good. This is a strap binder for like on trailers and all. You just tie things down with it. I'm gonna save that. Looks like some metal bands. Pieces of an old deer stand in here. It's all rotted out. Hydraulic hoses that are cut. A lot of this stuff's just gonna get thrown away. I just want it out of the building first. Don't even know what this hose was for. Surprised I haven't seen a snake yet. That's got spiders. Oh, look, the other end of that hose. Oh, or just a piece of it. Some PEX pipe. Got a bunch of these old gas cans. I'll probably repurpose them for something. Need to get some new lids for them. I don't know, I just have gas cans everywhere over here. Even this small one. Chainsaw bar lubricant. That's been in there for a while. Guess let's try and roll this tire out. Oh, goodness. I guess it's not smart to be doing like semi-dangerous things when my wife's going at Bible study. Probably should be doing something that's a little bit safer. But we'll just see how some of this goes. Huh. A cut up set of jumper cables. That's no longer good. I mean, for the most part, it's not that bad in here. Don't need all this hosing. And it'll make it where I can start storing things in here. Don't know what this container was used for. Throw that away too. I have no idea what that is. More broken pieces of my old deer stand. Just gonna have a giant pile. I went from having a giant pile inside the building to having a giant pile out there. My wife is not gonna like that, but hopefully once this is all set up where we could use things in this building, she might be all right with it. It's a good whacking stick, just in case any snakes pop up. That's gotta go in the trash. Old generator. Definitely know that doesn't work. Old battery. Goodness. Oh, now it's semi-decent. All right, so I'm gonna move some of this wood around. See if maybe I can use some of this wood as like a makeshift floor towards the back of here for now. I want to use that plywood for something else though. So I already got this one here for now, but most of this wood is all the same size. So at least the same width. Oh, look, I got an old tent in here. Didn't even remember I had that. Yeah, some of this wood is still good, but like I wouldn't use it to build anything. So it'd be good enough for somewhat of a little bit of a floor. Don't even know what this is for. Looks like an old kite. Or maybe part of an old tent. Let's see. Won't be the most stable floor, but it'll be something to get by. That was a piece of concrete. Well, there's somewhat of a floor. Yeah, I think this is gonna work out pretty well. I need to get some lights and a fan in here. So I think once I fully start going with this, I'm gonna end up bringing my generator and a fan that way, and like maybe get a light setup. That way it's just a little bit cooler in here while I'm working. And yeah, well, if you like this video and like my hunting content and us demoing the house, continue watching. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Also, leave in the comments, do you prefer seeing my hunting videos that I keep failing at, me and my wife demoing our house, or would y'all like to see more content of us rebuilding this into a shed/workshop? Thanks for watching.